Hi, my name is Vishal. My project partner Divyanshu and I have made this social networking app called Mobbit. It's like Reddit, okay, where you can go ahead, you can post on any topics. You can create a post for any topics. You can comment on other people's post, okay. So basically, if you're not logged into the application, you will be able to go ahead and check the posts and also the comment. Uh, made by any made by people. Okay, but you will not be able to comment or write a new post. For that, you need to log in. So what I can do is I can start with the basic sign up procedure where you did the username, password, and confirm password. So we have some requirements here. So if the username has to be there, otherwise it will give a message required if it is blank. And we also have for the password field also, if it is blank, then we will get a message required. So we just so I created a username and clicked on sign up, and the user has been created and signed into the application. And now I can go ahead and I can create a post, or I can comment on an existing post as well. So I have this existing post. Hello, with this test and submit. Yeah, you can see here it has been submitted with the username test3. I can delete it as well, where you can the user that has submitted the post, they will be able to delete that comment as well. Okay, so I can create a new post as well. I can create a new post. I can select a category. We have some predefined categories here. So select fun. Uh, if there is any URL, I can use that URL as well. I can go ahead and click on text. And I can create a new post. So the post will be created and you will be able to see that. You can create on all and you can see all the posts that were created. If you go to that one category, you will be only able to see the posts created for those categories. We also have a dark mode feature here where you can click and yeah, the dark mode gets activated. You can turn it off. If I log out, yes, if I log out, I can only see the post, and the create post option is gets disappeared. So anyone who is not logged into the application would not be able to create a post. For the front end, we have used React, Redux. On the back end, we have Express. Then we have our database for authentication purposes. We have JWT, Passport, JS. This is all about our application. Thank you.